Now an update on trade tensions between the U.S. and Canada. On Truth Social yesterday, President Trump said he will decertify all Canadian-made aircraft in the United States. The president was responding to Canada's refusal to certify jets from Gulfstream airspace based in Savannah, Georgia. Trump said if the situation is not immediately corrected, he would impose a 50% tariff on all Canadian airplanes sold in the U.S. The president singled out Bombardier's Global Express business jet, but said all Canadian planes would be impacted. Bombardier said in a statement that it has taken none of the president's post and is in contact with the Canadian government.